Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up Fingerprint Unlock on your DELL Latitude 7410 laptop. So open the Start menu and go to Settings. Then in Settings, select Accounts on the sidebar and navigate down to Sign In Options. Then open this menu, select Fingerprint Recognition, click Setup, and then click Get Started, provide your PIN code. And after that, you're gonna have to start pressing your fingerprint sensor, which is simultaneously your power button. Press it with the fingerprint you want to unlock your device with, and just press the power button with your fingerprint and use different parts of your fingerprint, and then add another angle, add some edges to the fingerprint. Try different angles and then click close when you're all set. Now let's test it. As you can see, it works perfectly, and I hope that it does for you too. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.